Getting up morning it has lots of advantages. You can hear the birds chimes and see the sunrise. So guys, people who would watch this video, please see that you make a habit of getting up morning and sleep early at night. I understand people work 24 by 7 shifts. So it's not possible for them, to get up in the early morning. But make sure that at least as much as possible you get up in the early morning. And if you see the background of the track record of the people who have been successful in their lives, right from Jack Ma or even certain uh, prime ministers, chief ministers, they have all woken up in the early morning. See, if you woke up in the early morning before the sunrise, you have more daytime. So I would advise people to get up in early morning. Make as much as possible so that you can be successful in your endeavors. So, and there are lots of health benefits, like you can do yoga, breathing exercise, and in the whole day it will be very joyful, enjoyable. I know I worked in IT industry, so most of my time was in night shifts, working in the US time zone. So I could not see the sunrise. But you know, but now I'm out of job, and so that's the reason. Like I'm staying in my village. This is my compound, and I'm thankful to my ancestors who have you know, and my late father, who has built the house. So at least, you know, due to which I'm enjoying my, my life. Maybe I don't earn any salary or income. Uh, Once upon a time, 25 years back, I was in USA, Texas, Dallas. So health is very important. We unnecessarily slog for 14 to 16 hours or maybe even 24 hours. Because if you are in IT infrastructure, I've been in IT infrastructure, you have been, I used to slog like installation of firewall, uh, uh, it won't run up within as you plan. So there will be certain technical hurdles which you have to make sure that the network goes up. Okay, checkpoint firewall. So guys, please make an habit to wake up early morning. Lots of health benefits, and you can be more successful in your life. Thanks for watching the video, and please give your comments, yeah, so that I can do more value add and make as per the people, based on their comments I can do continuous improvement. Thank you.